Let's see how to connect OnePlus Nord Buds 2 to phone. Now go to your mobile's Bluetooth settings. The mobile is now searching for your Bluetooth device to connect to. If the device does not show the Bluetooth device on your mobile, then you need to reset your OnePlus Nord Buds 2 device. This is the reset button on your OnePlus Nord Buds. Now press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds to reset your device. Your device has now been reset. Now search for Bluetooth devices from your mobile again. Now connect your Bluetooth device and enjoy.